Next topic is electric motor. It is one of the application of force on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. What is electric motor? Electric motor is a rotating device. This converts the electrical energy into mechanical energy. We know that what is electrical energy? When mechanical energy is the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. Okay. In our home appliances, for example, in an electric fan, when we switch on the electric fans, the blades rotates. It will gives the air. Okay. In every electric appliance contains an electric motor. In this motor, the electric energy is converts into the mechanical energy. Okay. Like washing machine. Mixer grinder, in all appliances working on this method only. Okay, let's look upon the construction and working of an electric motor. Let's look upon the construction of the simple electric motor. Okay, in this motor contains a rectangular coil A, B, C, D. Okay, it is placed in between the poles of two magnets N and R, N and South. Okay. Then it contains a split rings, half split rings, P and Q, an axle and brushes X and Y. Okay, the coil is placed in between the poles of two magnets. The arm AB and CD are mutually perpendicular to the magnetic field. We know that the magnetic field towards north and south. So the arm AB and the arm CD are placed mutually perpendicular to the direction of the magnetic field. Then the inner sides of the split rings PQ are insulated and attached to the axis. When it rotates, the split rings are to rotate. The external edges P and Q touches the bushes of X and Y. Okay. When we switch on, the battery provides current. From the battery, the current enters the brush X and enters the coil A, B, C, D and flows to the brush Y to the battery. Okay, let's look upon the working of the electric motor. When we switch on the current, current enters from A, B. Okay, in the coil A, B direction. In A, B, the current flows to A to B. The current flows A to B. Then we know that the magnetic field and the current. If the current and magnetic field are mutually perpendicular to the magnetic force, okay, so the magnetic force is acting, the arm AB moves downwards. The force acting AB and moves the arm AB to downwards. Okay, at the same time, the current enters C to D. C to D. Okay. So we know that the current and magnetic field and the magnetic force are mutually perpendicular. So the current direction is in this sign means the magnetic force acting upwards on the arm CD. Okay. Now due to the magnetic force, the arm CD comes on this side. The arm CD comes due to the magnetic force. The arm CD comes on this side and AB comes on this side. After this coil is rotating anti-clockwise direction due to the magnetic force acting in ABCD. If the current flows through ABCD means the coil rotates anti-clockwise due to the help of the Fleming's left hand rule. We can count it which direction we can move the coil. Okay. So this arm AB moves downwards then this arm CD moves upwards. Okay, so the direction of the magnetic force, the coil also rotates in anti-clockwise direction. Now the coil is changed like CD here and BA. The coil rotates in anti-clockwise direction. So now the current again passes from the positive terminal and the current flows through DCBA. This is the case of ABCD. Then again the current flows through DCBA. The same condition, applying the Fleming left hand rule, the current flows through DC. In the arm DC, the current flows through DC. According to Fleming's left hand rule, the magnetic force of DC moves downwards. Force acting on downwards. At the same time in BA, the current flows through BA. The magnetic force acting the arm moves upwards. Okay. After this anti-clockwise direction, again the coil it gained the same position as ABCD. This process continuously done. Okay. This axle in this the split rings is act as a commutator. What does commutator means? A device that converts the direction of the current flowing in a circuit. That means it is called as a commutator. Okay. In the circuit, the split rings act as a commutator. This commutator, the split rings rotates the axle and split rings, so that the coil is rotate the continuously rotation. After each half rotation is continuously rotation. Due to that, the current flows continuously, the coil moves continuously. Okay. In this, the electrical energy converts the mechanical energy. Due to that electrical energy, only the coil moves. Okay. With the coil moves, only the motor starts and working on it. Okay. That's all.